Selamünaleyküm everyone. Welcome to Ozyar Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in our beautiful region of Sapanca and I would like to introduce beautiful, lovely and such a luxury detached style villa for you today. Before starting our tour, let me show you what kind of environment and what kind of beautiful scenery we have. All around us surrounded by beautiful green nature of Sapanca, and I'm directly looking for the beautiful Sapanca Lake. And what we have today for you, 500 square meters plot area. On this 500 square meters plot area, we have 270 square meters detached style villa, which is including 4 rooms, 2 living rooms, 4 bathrooms and 1 living room. And one more good thing about this beautiful property, it is on the market with fully furnished. Directly in front of the villa, there is a private swimming pool which is 50 square meters. There are many details are available. For instance, barbecue section is available. Also, this villa, I have to mention that such a commercial villa, this is suitable for the daily rental issues, and in that way you can make really good money from the daily rental issues. Think like that. You have beautiful living area, at the same moment you have such a boutique hotel concept. We will enter the villa from the veranda section. Next to villa you can see that there's a parking lot sections available. You can easily park your vehicle over there, and architecture design of the property is basing on triplexes and we have 3 floors. So let's discover the details of that beautiful villa together. Come on. And when we got inside the property, nice and spacious living room section on ground floor is welcoming us. We have open style kitchen over here, and heating system of the property is basing on the natural gas system, which is working with the combi boiler device. You can see the heaters, very wide size heaters. In that way, in winter season, you can use this villa in very good condition. As additional, we have over here chimney section. Chimney is active. You can see some ashes inside it, and this is the living room section of the property. And also on the ground floor we have WC section over here, and this is the situation of the ground floor. So let's have a look together what we have on upper floors. I have to mention that this is not brand new villa. The years of the villa is around 6 years old, and it is still using, and also it is still on the market for daily rental issues. So that if you are looking for something commercial with beneficial properties in our beautiful region of Sapanca, this villa can be very suitable choice for you because all the details are available inside the property. So I want to start from the right section. On the right section of me, there's a common bathroom of the first floor is welcoming us, and we have wide size walk-in shower over here, and there's a W section separate over here, and tap is over here too. And next to it we have one guest room over here. According to current design of the property, 7 people can easily spend their life over here too. And look at that beautiful scenery. On the edge side of the property is looking for beautiful green mountain of Sapanca, and directly in front of the property, let me show you, is looking for the beautiful Sapanca Lake view too. And let's have a look to our rooms together. And when we reach this section, there is another room for kids section is welcoming us. You can access the balcony from this living room too. And look at that huge balcony. It is like a terrace section. Also, I want to show the situation of the front garden too. You can see this such a big swimming pool, and you can see the sitting place. And look at that again, that beautiful scenery too. So let's keep it up. And when we reach this section, master room section of the property is welcoming us. When I look the usage area of the bathroom section, it is pretty enough. There is a AC is available. Also, there is a full attached bathroom is available inside this room too. So it's time to see the best part of the property. Please follow me. And when we reach the top floor, really nice details we have over here. We have one more kitchen section over here, and directly we have jacuzzi over here. There is a bedroom sections available. Inside this section, we have one more full bathroom over here too. And heating system of this section is working with with natural gas system, which is working under the floor. We have Turkish bath. It is very pleasant property. I believe that you can spend pretty good time with your friends and with your family too. And size of the Turkish bath is pretty good too. Again, this property is located in beautiful region of Sapanca, and according to the specification, this property is such a good one, so hurry up. So I hope that you enjoy what you saw on the video. For more information on catching this beautiful opportunity in our beautiful region of Sapanca, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, please smash that subscribe button too. And also, if you want to get the notification from your smart devices, there is a ring the bell button. Please don't forget to click that ring the bell button too. Thanks for watching and في أمان الله.